Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sonic with another profitable project Strawberry Swap. This is basically a token and pre-sale is going on be a part of DeFi revolution. How all of this function is going to happen in this video I will cover. If you are new on my YouTube channel Sonic, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. I am also very excited to invite you to Strawberry Token Presale, a unique opportunity to be part of creation of StrawberrySwap, a groundbreaking decentralized exchange that set to transform the world of decentralized finance. Here is also time. How much days are remaining when this sale is going to end? 64 days. So you have to ready your mind thoughts and you can also ready your asset to join it right now. How to join? First of all, you have to connect your wallet here. Like here is also Trust Wallet, Bitget Wallet. What you have installed, you can open it. An extension will be open where you can give the password while account creation you set. So here I can give my password, click on the next unlock button. Now we have to connect to GEMPAD. There is pre-sale going on in which you need Solana, and here we have to work on the BNB and Ethereum, so we can use BNB right now. What is the Strawberry Swap? Strawberry Swap is basically a cutting edge DEX platform that is going to providing the robust ecosystem. And now you can check out that here if you want to invest 500 USDT, then how my token you will buy. There is no minimum, there is no limit for the maximum. You can buy whatever you need. You want to hold, you want to make profit. Real contribution there is average, and you can also check out when it is going to launch. After 64 days when pre-sale is will end, this will be launch on quick buy, how to swap. There is DEX tool, DEX screener, AVI, quick, and very soon they are going to sell, like where you can buy sell each and everything on their skip shift. So there is also referral link if you want to get 3% extra reward by pool percent. And there is a complete detail that I have shared with you. You will get the liquidity provider, like here is the earning reward for providing liquidity to platform. Enjoy the fast, secure, low cost transaction. Benefit from potential significant return to platform. So there is basic detail when you will join, how much profit you are going to make by joining this ecosystem. So be a part of us, sport and Strawberry Swap, and benefit from the growth potential. Enjoy the special bonus and reward for participating in the pre-sale. There is also vibrant ecosystem and ownership of all smart contracts related to Strawberry Swap, including Strawberry token. Its smart contract will be renounced and burned. There is also some details pre-sale token, and here is also liquidity. Next you can check out audit wallet and marketing. All this phase is going to be checked out. So Strawberry token pre-sale is a limited time opportunity to be part of something big and get all the benefit that I have already shown to you. Their vision is to make ultimate ecosystem that is going to work for the one of the most decentralized exchange in the world. By driving up in the value of Strawberry token, total token is also going to burn. And now there is also a method I have already shown to you, how you can join, how you can buy this token. And now you can also check out their sale. When you will click on it, there is also information how they are going to list and what is the soft cap, market cap, what is the date in which you can buy. There is tokenomics, how much is total number of token, and how they have categorized each and every information about the initial market cap has been mentioned. So you can also make right decision while doing investment. If you want to check out the team member, then there is Twitter and Telegram. You can open it and you can also meet with the thoughts what they have made strategies, so you can get all these benefit like liquidity pools can be staked. Here is also best community for the people who need such project where they should enjoy a best profit at the initial stage. So you can also get a basic information on their social media link, like the pre-sale is going on, in which you have been invited, and come invest and get the profit. I hope you have cleared. See you soon in next video. Till then, take care.